Today I bought this light from Costco. It was on $35 after $10 discount. It has 5 selectable light colors and 50,000 hours life. It comes with 5 years warranty, so hopefully it will last for 5 years. Let's open it and see what's inside, and then at the end I will show a small demo. There is nothing else in the box, just a light and a small bag with screws. Turn these 3 clamps away to open the cover. There are 4 LED lights. Looks like it's going to be very bright. This cover is on marble. It's not that heavy, but looks very good quality. After you mount this to the ceiling, place the cover back in the middle and close these 3 clamps to attach the cover. I'm going to keep this open for now. The installation is straightforward. Black to the black, white to the white, and then ground. You just connect to the existing one. If you are doing it yourself, safety first. Please completely turn off the power, go to the breaker and shut it down. I just installed mine. Let me show you a quick demo. In the video recording you can really see the true colors, but for me, I'm really happy. It's very powerful, very bright. Kids are complaining too bright, but good thing I can adjust the brightness. Sad part, there's no remote. I need to get a ladder to climb up. Here's a close-up view behind the light. You just need to push this button to adjust it. Here I've set it all the way to the warm white, but in this recording you won't see the real color. But I like the cool white, so I'm going to put it back to the cool white. If you want to know how to install it, let me know in the comments. I'll post a separate video.